The body of a man with gunshot wounds was found inside a house in Copper Road, St. James. He is yet to be identified by the police. The shooting is believed to have occurred sometime between Saturday night and early Sunday morning. The discovery was made yesterday afternoon. The body was found lying in blood and had multiple gunshot wounds. A couple returning home from a Mother's Day event came under a gun attack in Providence Heights, St. James on Sunday night. The man was fatally shot while the mother of his child was shot and injured. She was taken to hospital. The deceased has been identified as 33-year-old Dwayne Crew of Providence Heights. It is reported that they were attacked by gunmen while in the process of opening the door to their home. The attackers fled. A man was this morning gunned down along Pretoria Road in St. Andrew. It is reported that around 7:30 explosions were heard in the area and the police were summoned. On arrival, the man was found lying in blood. He was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The St. Andrew South Police are probing the murder. Detectives attached to the Criminal Investigation Branch in Port Antonio, Portland, are probing the circumstances surrounding the death of an elderly man whose burnt decomposing body was found in bushes in Spring Garden District in Buff Bay. The deceased have been identified as 62-year-old Joseph Powell, a farmer of Spring Garden District. The police report that Powell's charred remains were discovered around 11:30 Saturday morning by a resident who was passing by a hut. A man who was detained on Friday for wounding is now being probed for murder after the woman with whom he had a dispute died in hospital on Sunday. The incident happened in Lionel Town in Clarendon, where both parties resided. Police have identified the dead woman as 59-year-old Yvonne Reed from McWhinney Street in Lionel Town. The suspect is a 61-year-old farmer. It was reported that around 2 p.m. last Friday, an argument developed between Reed and the man over the painting of a wall along Young Street in Lionel Town. Police said the dispute got physical, during which a knife was used to stab Reed several times in her upper body. Residents came to the aid of the injured woman, who was rushed to the Lionel Town Hospital and then transferred to the Maypen Hospital, where she was admitted in serious but stable condition. Police said around 8 a.m. Sunday, Reed succumbed to her injuries. The body was transferred to the morgue. The suspect, who was detained shortly after the incident on Friday, is still in police custody pending further investigations.